Hello everyone and welcome to Biz Analyst. Biz Analyst is a Tally on mobile application that lets you access your Tally ERP 9 data anywhere, anytime, even when Tally is shut. You can access Biz Analyst on a smartphone, be it your iPhone or Android. To use Biz Analyst, first download the desktop application on the PC where you run your Tally ERP 9. Next step is to create an account and add the companies you wish to see on your mobile device. After this, download the mobile application on your phone. Now you can log in with your account and enjoy using Biz Analyst. The first page that you see when you open up your application is the business dashboard. Now business dashboard lets you view key business numbers on a single screen. You can view the sales, the purchase, receipt, payment, outstanding receivable, outstanding payable, cash, bank balance, sales order, purchase order, delivery note and receipt note. You can also get your sales analysis here. Simply click on sales. Now, you can get sales reports such as sales by ledger, item, stock group, stock category, ledger group, etc. You can also get multi-level drill down of your sales figures with different permutation and combinations. You can also assess your sales performance from here easily. Now, you can also share invoices from here. Simply click on the company, view the data, click on the amount and click on share invoice. Now this invoice can be shared in either PDF format or text format. You can also print this and you can also share it via WhatsApp, Gmail or messages. Back to the dashboard. You can also view your outstanding receivable here simply by clicking on outstanding receivable. You can view the outstanding receivable from all your customers. Now, you can also send reminders to multiple customers with a single click. Apart from this, you can also view your aging wise outstanding and get notification for bills due on the same day. Now, to share outstanding reminders with multiple clients, you have an option here at the bottom of your screen, share. Click on share. Now you have two options popping up, share outstanding summary, send multiple payment reminders. To send multiple reminders or rather reminders to multiple clients, click on multiple payment reminders. Now, at the top right, you have select all option. Click on this. At the bottom, you have send reminders. Click on this. You get a confirmation message asking you if you wish to send outstanding reminders to all these clients. Click on send email. You will get another pop-up message asking you, do you want to include bills that are not due? Depending upon your answer, choose. Your outstanding reminders have been scheduled successfully. Bottom of your dashboard, you have the party icon. When you click on party icon, you can see all of your customers here. If you wish to share any important information about these parties, all you need to do is click on the share icon here. And now you can simply share it in either PDF, Excel format. You can also print it. You can share it via WhatsApp, Gmail, mails, etc. Now let's say you wish to share it by WhatsApp. All you need to do is simply click on your particular contact and send the details. Now, let's say you wish to create a new ledger. All you need to do is click on the orange plus icon here and fill in the details. Let's say you already have the GST number. All you need to do is add the GST number and the app will autofill the data for you from the GST portal. If you or any of your salesperson are visiting any of these clients, all they need to do is simply click on the name of the client. Now let's say your team member or you are visiting Balaji Crushers. Now you can see all the important business summary here. You can see the sales, the receipt, the receivable amount, including the number of meeting your team or you had. Now, if you wish to know any detail about this particular company, all your salesperson or you have to do is click on the I icon, overview icon right here. You can see all the detail here, including the GST number, the CST number. You will not have to rely on anybody to get any particular details regarding this company. Let's say you have gone for a meeting or your salesperson has gone for a meeting. All they need to do is click on the check-in icon here to check in officially. This way your meeting log will be recorded. Now say there is an important follow-up to be scheduled. All you need to do is click on the set follow-up here and you can set up an entire follow-up reminder. This could be for a sales order or for an outstanding reminder, etc. Now, once at this company, you can easily create any kind of entry simply by using these icons or options in the bottom. You can create sales invoice, you can create sales order, receipt, quotation, purchase invoice, purchase order, payment, etc. Once the meeting is over, all you need to do is click on checkout. Any additional comments that anybody wishes to convey can be added here, and then all you have to do is simply check out. At the bottom of the dashboard, you also have the items icon. Click on this. Now you can view all your items here. You can view the items by group and category. You can also view them according to in stock, not in stock, negative stock, and below reorder level. To know more about an item, simply click on the item name, and now you can see the entire summary. You can see the customers, you can see the suppliers here. To add a new item, all you need to do is click on the orange plus icon here, and you can simply create stock item. Now, at the bottom right of your business dashboard, you have the reports. Click on the reports to view all your important business reports. Now, under reports, you have my entries. Here you can view all your data entry reports. You can also create data entry from here. Sales team check-in report can be viewed here. You can view your sales team and their various check-in and check-out, their logins, their meetings. To know more about any particular salesperson meeting, just click on their name. Now you can see the total number of meetings they had and total number of time they spent at each meeting. To view their particular location, all you need to do is click on the Google map at the top right. Now you can see where they have spent time and where they have been. To share a particular meeting log, simply click on the meeting log and click on the share icon at the top. You can share this either in PDF format, Excel, or you can print it out. You can also share it via WhatsApp, Gmail, or messages. Under follow-up reports, you can view the follow-ups that were scheduled. You can see the status, whether they have been completed or not. Under expenses, you can see all the expenses that have been incurred. This will help you curb unwanted expenses. Under top reports, you can see your top customers. You can view them by top 5, top 10, or top 30. You can see how much of your top customers have brought in sales and who these top customers are. Under inactive customers, you can see who your customers, which of your customers rather have been inactive and who these customers are. And you can see since when they have been inactive. This will help you get the business back from them. Under inactive items, you can see which of your items have been inactive for a long time. This will help you do better inventory management. Other important reports include ledger report, day book, pending sales order, pending purchase order, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Now, Biz Analyst menu plays a very important role. For example, if you wish to add a new company or if you wish to add users, you can simply go for this from here, or you can also additionally access it from here. Now you can add a new company here, or you can view your existing company and its data from here. Or you can also add new users here. You can see the user icon. Now you can either add a new user here, or you can delete a user. Once you delete a user, their access to your data will completely be revoked. Now once you visit a user here, you can either change their access, you can give them certain access, and you can revoke their certain access, which means that they will only see the data you want them to see. Similarly, you can also view the devices that they have used or they have used to access the data or Biz Analyst application right here. Apart from your company and user, you can also configure various settings here. Simply go on settings and you can change the settings of how you share data from here. You can change your outstanding settings from here. Your stock items, date setting, default screen, and data entry settings can all be changed from here. Now let's say you already are a member of Biz Analyst and you wish to refer Biz Analyst to your friends and your family or anyone you know. Simply click on refer on. Now if you refer Biz Analyst application and let's say the person whom you're referring to has brought the application or the subscription, you get 1 month free and they get 1 month free. But this happens only when they buy a subscription. So this is a win-win situation for both of you. Now apart from this, we understand that your security is a primary concern for you. So we have 7 layers of security, one of which is setting up passcode for the application. You can see you have a security option here. Simply click on set passcode, set a 4-digit passcode for your app and re-enter it and set it, and you're good to go. Now Biz Analyst application also gives you an option of 7-day free trial. This is if you have never used Biz Analyst before. All you need to do is download the application and you have 7-day free trial waiting for you. If you wish to know more about the application, simply log on to bizanalyst.in or get in touch with one of our team. We'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.